First in-house, Jaguars in-house tournament. Third placer goes to Julius and Edgar. Goes to Alex and Nathaniel. Nice game. Even by Edgar. Thank you to all sponsors. 50 kayo guys. First placer, Jacob and Natalie. This is your prize, a bag and a trophy. Hey, picture now, picture. Congrats. Okay, guys, and also for the highlight, guys, allow me yung there's a video over here. And picture daw muna para sa ating second placer.
Nasaan yung medal?
Yung medal trophy.
Ay, yung trophy nasa. Yung second place.
For our champion in-house Jaguars. First, the champion is Matthew and Steven, our MVP. This is the Rocket na. Eh, isa kayo, yung gagawan. Picture mo na. Congrats! Stephen, MVP. Most... lahat na mga winner working together para sa picture taking. Asan yung second? Picture mo sila. Okay, picture guys. Congratulations.
Tapos lahat.
Okay. Yay! Congratulations to all the winners. Nice job.
1, 2, 3.
Nice game. Lahat tayo. Picture.
Tanggalin ko na to. May binana ano, nakita rin ano, Steven. Binigay niya na tawag na to. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Waki! Yay!
Sabay sa palas. Waki.
Waki.
1, 2, 3.